Every bottle begins with perfectly ripened avocados grown under ideal conditions. Only premium quality fruit is selected for processing. Each avocado is hand-picked to preserve freshness. Careful harvesting minimizes bruising before transport. The harvested avocados are carefully packed into ventilated crates. Proper handling protects the fruit during transport. Refrigerated transport helps preserve natural freshness. The journey to the processing plant begins. Fresh avocados reach the factory within hours. Processing begins immediately after arrival. The conveyor evenly feeds avocados into production. Automation ensures a continuous processing flow. Powerful air dryers remove surface moisture. The fruit is now ready for quality grading.
Multiple washing stages remove dust and field residue. Clean fruit is essential for premium quality juice. AI vision systems inspect every single avocado. Only the highest quality fruit moves forward. Ripeness scanning ensures the ideal creamy texture. Next, the avocados will be cut and their pits removed. Precision rotary blades split every avocado with perfect accuracy. The exposed creamy flesh is now ready for pit removal. Automated extractors remove each pit with remarkable precision. The valuable avocado flesh remains completely intact. The peel is gently removed without wasting valuable fruit. Only pure avocado flesh continues to processing. The creamy flesh is separated for maximum yield. Fresh avocado pulp is collected for fine grinding.
High-speed grinding creates a silky avocado puree. The smooth texture prepares it for blending.
Purified water is added under precise control. The mixture begins forming the juice base. Natural ingredients enhance flavor and stability. The mixture is blended into a smooth beverage. Fine filtration creates an exceptionally smooth texture. The purified juice is now ready for heat treatment. High-pressure homogenization creates a silky, uniform texture. Next, the fresh avocado juice is rapidly cooled for filling. Rapid cooling preserves freshness and creamy texture. The chilled juice is now ready for temporary storage. Aseptic tanks keep the juice fresh and uniform. The filling process begins next. Every bottle is thoroughly cleaned before filling. Sterile packaging protects product quality. Precision fillers deliver the exact amount into every bottle. Consistent filling ensures uniform quality. Automatic cappers create an airtight seal. This keeps the avocado juice fresh for longer. Every bottle undergoes a strict sealing inspection. Only perfectly sealed bottles move forward. Each bottle receives a professionally aligned label. The product is now fully identified. Every bottle receives its unique production code. This ensures complete product traceability. Advanced vision systems verify every detail. Only approved bottles continue to packaging. Shrink wrapping secures bottles for safe handling. The bundles are ready for boxing. Wrapped bottle packs move into an automatic carton erector. Flat cardboard blanks unfold into strong cartons while robotic pushers load bottle packs inside. Every carton is tightly sealed for transport. The shipment is now ready for palletizing. Robotic palletizers stack cartons with perfect precision. Stable pallets improve transport safety. Stretch wrapping locks every carton securely in place. The pallets are now protected during transport. The finished juice is stored under controlled conditions. Each pallet is tracked with barcode technology. Digital inventory systems prepare customer orders. The selected pallets head toward shipping. Fresh avocado juice leaves the factory for stores. The cold chain keeps every bottle fresh. The journey ends on supermarket shelves. Every bottle is ready to be enjoyed.
From orchard to bottle, every step ensures premium quality. That's how fresh avocados become creamy avocado juice.
Robotic palletizers stack cartons with perfect precision. Stable pallets improve transport safety.
Random samples are taken from every production batch. This final inspection guarantees consistent quality. The perfect texture is carefully measured. Only approved batches move forward. Microbiological testing confirms food safety. Every batch must pass before shipment.
Every inspection result is digitally verified. The batch is officially approved for sale.
Automation keeps warehouse operations efficient. Every pallet is digitally tracked. Smart warehouse systems prepare every shipment. Each order is accurately tracked. Every shipment is carefully secured. Cold chain transport preserves freshness. The journey continues beyond the factory. Fresh avocado juice heads toward customers. Regional warehouses speed up delivery. Every bottle stays protected throughout transport. Regional warehouses speed up delivery. Every bottle stays protected throughout transport.
The finished product reaches supermarket shelves. Freshness is maintained until purchase.
Premium quality attracts satisfied customers. The factory process ends with a ready-to-enjoy drink. The rich texture reflects careful processing. Every sip begins with premium avocados.
Smooth, creamy, and naturally refreshing. The result of precision manufacturing.
Premium quality attracts satisfied customers. The factory process ends with a ready-to-enjoy drink. Automation and skilled workers ensure consistent quality. The factory operates with maximum efficiency.
Every department works together seamlessly. From orchard to bottle, precision drives every step.
Every stage contributes to exceptional quality. Modern technology protects freshness from start to finish.
Fresh ingredients meet advanced technology. The result is a premium quality avocado juice. Dedicated workers and advanced machines create every bottle. Quality is the goal at every stage.
From carefully harvested avocados to a perfectly bottled drink, every step is engineered for quality. Thanks for